Hey guys, in today's video I am going to give you one very simple secret by which you would be able to force your hibiscus plant blooms like crazy. Now let me tell you that it's really very simple thing. You have to do the pruning, but pruning only the branches is not enough. You have to prune the roots as well. Now here in this video I am going to show you everything step by step, and I will be also showing you the result at the end of the video. I mean, you are going to see the exactly same thing whatever you have seen on the thumbnail, and that's why please watch the video till the end. Here is one of my hibiscus plant, and it's a multi-petaled hibiscus. Now you can see that the health of the plant is looking quite bad, and that's why I am going to do the pruning so that I can transform my plant. Please also note that definitely I am going to talk about like why we need to prune our hibiscus plants, both the branches and the roots, and I am going to do that at the end of the video. But before that, let me show you the exact procedure, and I hope you can just follow me. Well, this is the result after 45 days, and I hope that you are happy to see the amazing transformation. I mean, just compare how it was looking 45 days back and just compare that plant with the current plant. I mean, you can see it's already blooming, and at the same time I am also getting lots of new buds too. Also take a look at the size of the leaves and overall growth of the plant. It's looking absolutely beautiful and gorgeous, and I am really happy about it. This is the result after 60 days, and I am extremely happy about it. I mean, I am really very sorry for repeating the same word, but I am really very happy that my plant is blooming like this way. I mean, you can see it's looking absolutely gorgeous. So if your hibiscus plant is not blooming, just do the things, and I am 100% sure that you are going to get the good result. Now since you have seen the result already, now let me tell you why we need to do that. See, hibiscus is a very fast growing plant, and they also produce the roots in a very aggressive way. So whenever you are growing your hibiscus plant in container, and let's just assume that your plant is in the same container for more than 1 year or even 2 years, that time it becomes absolutely root bound. I mean, inside the container there would be only the roots, and there won't be any place for the roots to grow well, and that time the plant won't be able to absorb the required nutrients, water, and whatever we provide our plants as a fertilizer. As a result, what happens is the size of the leaves start to become smaller, and definitely you won't be getting any blooms at that time. So if you are not getting blooms on your hibiscus plant, and if you see that leaves are getting smaller, that means the plant is absolutely root bound, and that's why you need to do the pruning. However, if you don't want to prune the roots of your plants, you really don't have to, but for that you need to do one other thing, and that is you have to keep upgrading the size of the container every year. So for example, if you are growing your hibiscus plant in 8-inch container, next year you have to upgrade it to either 10-inch or even 12-inch. And if you don't do that, eventually the plant is going to root bound in the same container, and then you are going to get smaller leaves and no blooms at all. So that's why you can just prune the roots, maintain the size of your plants, I mean how you want your plants to be, and that way you can just keep on enjoying the blooms growing in the same container. And you have already seen me using the same container for my plant. So guys, this was all about how you can force your hibiscus plant to bloom. But if you want more info about hibiscus, then I already have one detailed video on hibiscus where I have shown everything from day 1 to until flowering, and I would recommend you to watch that video. And you can do that simply clicking on the I button on top right corner, or you can also check out the link in the description box. Please also note that this is the best time to do the pruning. So if you are expecting lots of blooms on your hibiscus in the coming season, then do the pruning, both branches and roots, and that way you are going to get lots of blooms in the summer season. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please do me a favor, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and many thanks for doing that. Thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great day and enjoy.